In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay later on the Temu app in 2025. Using the convenience of buy now, pay later services can greatly enhance your shopping experience by offering flexibility with your finances. So let's dive into a step-by-step guide to using these options on the Temu app. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to temu.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in or register option. It's typically easy to spot, usually located at the top right of the page. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Temu, you'll need to register by following their quick and simple sign up process. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing and adding items to your cart, whether you're in the market for electronics, fashion, or home goods. Temu offers a diverse range of products. As you find items you want, click Add to Cart to keep them handy for checkout. After you finish shopping, navigate to your cart and look for the Order Summary section. This will give you an overview of the products you've selected and their total cost. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with your selections, you'll need to click on Proceed to Payment. At this point, you'll be prompted with payment options. This is where you'll look for buy now, pay later methods such as Klarna, Afterpay, or Affirm. These options allow you to split your total into manageable, smaller payments. If these options are not available to you during checkout, it might be due to regional restrictions, so always verify if BNPL services are supported in your area. After selecting a pay later method, you'll be directed to review the terms and the payment schedule. This is a crucial step since understanding the terms will help you avoid any unexpected fees or conditions down the road. Take your time to read through all the information provided, ensuring that it aligns with your financial plans. Once you're comfortable with the terms, proceed to confirm your purchase. A confirmation screen will appear, summarizing the details of your transaction. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email as well, which should arrive shortly after you finalize your purchase. This email is important as it serves as a digital receipt. That's it. You've successfully set up a buy now, pay later plan on the Temu app. This convenient service can help manage your finances while still allowing you to get the things you need or want. Remember, it's always a good idea to budget for these payments to ensure timely repayment. Thanks for tuning in to this guide. Happy shopping!